Hi everybody, I want to share this information about this new KitchenAid coffee maker. I really love it. You bring this glass up to 10 cup of coffee. You have auto set that you could set it up the time for a certain time, and it will make the coffee for you at the time you set it up. And back here you put the water, and it's easy to clean because you take this part out easily, see, to be able to wash it and clean it the proper way. I'm going to make my coffee. I'm going to set it up, and I'm just sharing that I love this coffee maker. So I just want you to know that is a very good coffee maker. Here is where you put the coffee, and you can see the little holes right here where the water come out, giving it gives the like a shower of water. This is the button to brew and to auto set to save the time. So if you want to set it up, and when you wake up in the morning, your coffee will be ready, and you'll be able to enjoy it. So this is how you set up the time. I'm going to set it up for 4 o'clock in the morning. So I guess I have to go all over and set it up exactly to 4 o'clock. Right? And then you press auto set. Right there, auto set. And it will be ready for 4 o'clock. It will do the coffee by itself. So when I wake up, I will have my coffee ready to drink at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you could share this information of this wonderful, wonderful coffee maker. God bless you.